The origins of Chemical Direct date back to 1993, when brothers Frank and David Cullen identified a gap in the Irish marketplace for a cost-effective cleaning chemical supplier. At the time, the name Chemical Direct was very fitting for a business delivering cleaning chemicals direct to customers. Today, we have expanded our service offering with 3 distinct business areas, helping our clients achieve and maintain the highest standards of cleanliness from floor to ceiling. These business areas include cleaning equipment supply, our fleet management department, and our product and solution sales. We are Ireland's leading independent supplier of specialist cleaning equipment and take a hands-on approach to delivering specific solutions for our clients' work environments. Our dedicated fleet management team provides preventative and reactive maintenance programs to minimize downtime. We embrace technology and innovation and have developed service and maintenance applications that delivers real-time analytics, improving machine life, productivity and efficiency for our clients. Our Rhino product range is quickly becoming the synonymous name as the world's best floor pad, and we export direct from our factory across Europe and the Middle East. We also possess exclusive Irish distribution rights for premium janitorial equipment. Celebrating 25 years in business, our success is driven by the passion and loyalty of our people. Now, our company name and brand identity has also evolved to reflect where the company is today and where we're going in the future. Clenli originates from the word cleanliness, because our core focus is helping customers achieve and maintain the highest standards of cleanliness. We have retained the word direct because we believe in accessibility and working directly with our clients. Our 360-degree capability, innovation and know-how is represented by a full circle and a hand-drawn star. Supported by our positioning statement, reliable people, innovative know-how, reminds our people, our customers and partners what makes us uniquely different from the rest.